Hey mamas and daddies, today I am going to share how I travel with two babies, one infant and one toddler. How you should get prepared for travel, how to pack bags for babies, and if for any reason your baby is cranky during travel, how to handle cranky baby. Mamas and daddies, I have started a Micro Preemie channel in Hindi as well. Link is in the description. Please subscribe my channel and help me to reach to the broader audience. Start making list of things at least 1 week in advance. What are those important things you need to carry? Make a checklist. Documents, baby food, medicines, formula, feeding bottles, toys, snacks. Make a checklist of everything so you don't miss anything important during packing. Important documents for domestic travel: identity card of you, and if your child is 2 years plus. If your child is under 2 years, you need to carry birth certificate. These days, due to government norms of COVID-19, you may need to carry fully vaccinated certificate. If you are carrying medicine for baby, it will be better if you carry doctor's prescription as well. During security check, they may ask prescription from doctor for your medicines. So it will be always better to carry baby's medical file with the prescription from doctor. Surprise toys. Keep some surprise toys, new toys for your baby in case during travel. If your baby is not in good mood and you give baby that surprise toy, baby gets really happy. My toddler loves musical instrument and toy vehicles. I kept couple of toy vehicles handy in case my baby is cranky. Favorite snacks. I kept my baby's favorite cookies and some snacks handy and offer it to my baby in the waiting area before boarding. And also you need to give your toddler his or her favorite snacks during the time of takeoff and landing. You need to breastfeed or bottle feed your infant at the time of takeoff and landing so their ear will not pop up and they will be comfortable during travel. You can easily carry formula, baby food and warm water when you are traveling with baby. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel because I work hard to make these videos for your baby. Wake up baby early on the day of travel. If you wake up baby early, most probably they will be sleeping during the travel and make travel easy for you. My flight was morning flight and both the babies had to get up early, and during the flight my infant slept immediately and my toddler slept after 30 minutes and my infant woke up 20 to 25 minutes before landing and my toddler wake up after landing. It made my travel so easy and smooth. Plan travel in pleasant weather. Research shows weather affects mood of adults as well as children. If weather is pleasant, most probably your baby will be happy and active. We have personally experienced it. Earlier we traveled in the first week of October and it was hot and my toddler was quite cranky. If we would have planned that travel after 15 October, weather would have been much cooler, pleasant. This time we planned travel in the first week of March and weather was very good and both the children were quite happy and active. If you are still watching this video, please hit the like button. It makes me super happy. Ask for help. If you find any difficulty, ask for help. When you are with babies, you don't need to stand in long queues for security check. You can ask for help from ground staff and they will help you to go to directly security check. In my next video, I will share how I smoothly travel with the help of ground staff at airport. If you like the video, please hit the like button because it means a lot for me. See you very soon with next very informative video. Lot of love to parents and their babies.